Hello, friends. Today we discuss insurance part 3, how insurance as a social security tool. Insurance has contributed considerably in getting cure for the social problem. Its objective is to provide the people with financial assistance while coping with the situation like, you know, adverse circumstances, sudden downfall, or unemployment situation, or at the time of old age, allowances at the time of unemployment, financial assistance at the time of accident, cure, or illness. So there are certain points we discuss one by one. Point number one is helps in prevention of the social evil. It has been observed that most of the evils, suffer from unemployment. Okay, sometimes people are neglected in the family, people having no support at the time of need. Only only you can't beg, you know you can't go for pickpocketing, or you can't go to a temple and ask for the food. Okay, even for ladies in the family, or kids in the family, they at the most of the time will prove the sufferers. So insurance companies basically provide you a kind of a kind of assurance कि they will help you. They not give you any kind of financial support. They give you your right, because your family member, your father, your mother have a policy. On the basis of that policy, you get your immediate requirement done. Then we have remedy for the social problem. Insurance solve your so many problem. Again, I am discussing, the insurance company try to remove illiteracy. Okay, cure illness. There are so many policies, there are so many many mediclaim schemes. Like, if you have people have a problem of heart problem, they want to replace the heart, or they want to go for stent therapy, or people have a cancer. So you need lot of fund for the same. The, the insurance company will provide you that money, or without fear, you only admit. Even knee plantation, your plantation, matlab you want a new knee. For that reason, suppose doctors ask 10 lakh rupees. For a poor person, 10 lakh rupee is a big problem, but through insurance policy, the problem ultimately solved. Then we have a mean of social change. Insurance is an important mean for the social change. What kind of change? Insurance may become an impressive power of social change. It is really assist in bringing change in the social concept, standard of living of the people. People go for new things in life. They purchase cars and everything, and when the car is insured, so you go with the car, use the car without any fear of like the loss by accident, loss by theft. Helps in welfare work. People of charitable nature want to donate money to charitable institutions and welfare purposes when they become old. Okay, for such contribution to made after their death, insurance is the only tool. You go for a policy of such kind, huge sum after the death of the person. The legal here receive, the nominee on regular intervals give charity to school, or college, or any temple or church. Possibility is very very high. Then promote education. There are several insurance companies in the world engaged in the work of promoting education. Parents can provide good education for their children if they buy the policy in the name of a child. A number of insurers provide a stipend to the students having low status on the basis of the policies only. Encourage alertness. What kind of alertness? To bring a sense of awareness and precaution. Insurance companies generally allow rebate in premium to the persons or the institutions who adopt special security measures through these policies. Then we have awareness toward the health. Awareness toward the health. We have so many Mediclaim schemes I had discussed earlier. Na? After, no doubt, in that case, insurance companies ask for the doctor certificate at the time of insurance. Means at the time of insurance, you don't have that disease. Okay, if you don't have that disease and you go for that kind of mediclaim, after say 5 year or 6 years, suppose something goes wrong with you, company will pay you the entire sum, entire expense. You just go and admit in the hospital and the entire sum is paid by the insurance company. That is cashless transaction. This is known as cashless transaction. Okay, contribution to the development of basic facilities. Insurance assists to the basic facilities for the society. Basic facilities like, for example, water, electricity, accommodation, and other basic facilities. Life Insurance Corporation of India and GIC, LIC and GIC, General Insurance Corporation, and other some subsidiaries. Okay, as loan to number of institutions engaged with the supply of water or you know public facilities. Then we have help in implementation of the social security schemes. Social security schemes like schemes for poor and backward sections of the society. Government of India has implemented group insurance schemes for social security and individual Janta insurance plans also included in it. Then the next very important topic, sometime even in examination they ask question how insurance and economic development are interrelated. So here's the explanation. No doubt insurance is providing the trade and industry energy to cope with challenges emerged from more dynamic modern atmosphere and to take over successfully their new role. Here come different points. Point number one is increased credit worthiness. Insurance has played a very, very important role in increasing the credit worthiness. Credit worthiness of industrial organization. Industrial organization may be a small organization, small industry, maybe medium term industry, maybe a large scale industry. The organization can enjoy safety and security through insured go downs. If suppose I have an industry and I have a go down that is insured, so I can work factories, insured shops, insured properties. Okay, with the help of that, na, a peace of mind take place with the businessman. It become crystal clear that insurance has rendered straight help to the credit worthiness of the business organization. Even these business organizations pledge their policies and get the loan from other people. Then we have availability of capital. Insurance industry has contributed large amount to the industry. Okay, crores of rupees are invested by LIC in different basic industries. Then next point is helps in development of basic facilities. Basic facilities I had discussed earlier, even industrial colonies, transporting, electricity, storage, agriculture production, etc., have an important role in the development of trade and industry. LIC and LIC and GIC assist in development of these useful means. Next point is investment in the share and debenture. Insurance companies of all the countries do invest capital in share and debentures of different industries. As we all know, insurance companies in India are also not left behind in this race. They directly invest in, Yes Bank. They directly invest in different HDFC Bank or different companies, right? Then we have contribution to the development of basic industries. Basic industries like iron, steel, chemical industries, mining industries, insurance industries are in our country basically played a very crucial role, specifically in all the basic industries. Next point is contribution to the financial institution. Financial institution, insurance institutions have given financial assistance even to the financial institutions like banks, financial institution providing long-term loans to several industrial and commercial organizations. Next point is promotion to the service industry. Insurance has contributed considerably in the field of expansion of the service sector like hospitals, courier companies, hotels, banks, different taxis or aviation, right? Then we have promotion of foreign trade. Foreign trade is again very very good area of income. BOP, BOP, we can easily, BOP means balance of payment. We can easily go for a favorable case with the help by increasing the export. Okay, how we increase the export? If we have some kind of security during the transit. It's like we have marine insurance, we have air insurance, right? In case of even aviation insurance, na, people easily send their products to outside. Air and sea transportation is possible only and only in case of insurance. Then we have commercialization. Sorry, before that we have one more point, that is contribution in the development of share market. Insurance companies have not only contributed by purchase a share and debenture of the company only, they also control the or run the share market. But the business of the stockbrokers has also been insured. Not only they run the market, but the business is also insured by the insurance company. Then we have commercialization of cattle breeding, poultry farming, aqua and dairy farming. All livestock are insured. Because of that insurance factor, people go for these businesses because loss occurred many times in livestock. We have protection to the small trading associations. Small trading associations, like I think that point is missed in this PPT, but the point is important. Like insurance institutions have denied in comprehensive policies for the small shopkeepers, and these are insured in order to increase their credit worthiness during the stipulated by the financial institution for the grant of loan. Then we have protection against the risk of nature like flood-like situation, or we can say factories and shops and godowns, if suppose kind of destroyed by earthquake or by fire or something. We all have facility of insurance, say blast or storm, etc. All are covered under different policies. Protection from risk created by human, like insurance against the strike, riots, rivalry, damage, theft, can be done with the help of insurance policy. Like if you have an insurance policy and if loss occurred by different reasons, you can easily control it. Then we have business stability. Insurance has also assisted in carrying out the business out to produce more stability. More stability means, so for example, Life Insurance Corporation of India brings under the insurance cover as partner in partnership. Okay, and pay a share of the partner in the circumstances of death, or suppose at the time of retirement or something. Then we have protection of debts. Insurance also give you a kind of insurance. Suppose when a businessman sell the goods on credit basis and give loan or pledge something, he become secure when the same are insured. Then protection from the loss of profit. Loss of profit, suppose you feel that maybe in the near future loss will occur. Some insurance policies to the nature payment of compensation against the loss to the profit to the factory owner, whether the organization is big or small, or even a retail shop or a big business, they provide you kind of insurance. Then we have protection to the institutional from death of a key man. Suppose a very important person in the business due to some reason died, or in case of the death of the key man, the business is trapped in the crisis of uncertainty or failure. Such key man insured, and the risk is taken over by the insurance company. The Life Insurance Corporation of India has started his policy on the name of that person. At the time of death, they will pay you that big amount, support a business in a better manner. That's all for today. Tomorrow we will discuss another topic. Thank you so much.